Hi, how are you? It's Trish, Bible Bullets and Barbells. I want to show you today the Rosey Life Planner. It's going to be the Vintage Traveling and Journey. I have not opened it, so let's get to it. And then I've shown this before. This is the trusty undo remover. Set this off to the side. Stuff is truly magic, but look at how beautiful and gorgeous these stickers are. So you have that one with the bird, and of course, travel is nothing without passport. And then there, Vintage Travel Journaling, Tokyo. So I've said it before, I love the globe. I love maps. Now look at this. So this box in particular, this is a freebie. This box in particular is for traveling. And look at that. A nice charm. I love it. I love it. And here we have our postcard stamped with Germany departure, March 15th of 2025. Oh, nice. Ho Chi Minh, right? Mexico. All right. So very nice. And then it has the nice little gold edges as well. Okay, so as you can see, she starts off big, right? Look at this. Oh my goodness. All right, let me take all this out the plastic. Okay, so this is, oh, beautiful. So I've seen a few unboxings of this. Go check out all the ladies with Rosey Life Planner, but just to see it in person. All right, so again, we start with the freebie, a charm. Okay, and then to go with that charm, she gave us a traveler's notebook. Now this is the smaller one, the Weeks. This is extremely smooth on the inside. And it's a nice soft faux leather. And look at this, Destination RLP Planner Piece, limited edition. All right, so we have the elastic. Okay, we have one plastic insert with 6 cards and a pencil case. Tool holder. We have a grid notebook and a lined notebook. And then she gave us a sticker book. I love it. Love it. It's all gold foil all around. And then, so the idea is with the extra band, So you just go to the middle, or you can go to the end, whichever makes you happy. I'm gonna put this in. So now you have your beautiful, oh my gosh. All right, so I like putting one right here by the pendant. Okay, so you have your sticker book, your line notebook, your dot grid, card holder, and then for your tools or your pens. Oh my goodness. All right. Wow. Beautiful. And then she gave us this beautiful canvas bag. Actually, I'm gonna hold this off till the end. So yes, this beautiful canvas bag with a label with a bow. It's nice cardstock. And another just cardstock tag, Rosey Life Planner. Okay, nice heavy metal clip, right? Double clip. Nice and weighted. Die cuts. The only journey is the one within. Nice, beautiful, right? Rosy Posy with her maps. Certified lovely. And then here are some vintage suitcases. So Linda never fails. She always delivers. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now look at this. So we get another charm with the Rosey Life planner piece. And then Rosy Posy again with her beautiful map. And as I told you before, I absolutely love maps. And then again, I've seen so many of these unboxings, but this is just gorgeous. Look at this. This is a magnet, and the journey is the destination. Lovely air. I love it. It's your boarding pass, but this is another nicely weighted magnet. Okay, so these are ephemera vintage stickers. So we get, let's see, do I have a plain piece of paper? So look at these. Oh, these are awesome. They feel like they're PET washy, I should say, because they're not shiny. So you can see all different types of vintage stickers, right? The muted colors. So it looks like there's about 100 pieces in there. All right, let's go through these stickers. So she gives us all these very beautiful, look at how gorgeous. It's giving me fall vibes right there. Macau. Very nice. And here goes the rose and vintage theme. And the girls, I absolutely love the girls. Yep. Oh, and these will go well with these vintage stickers. Look at that. This reminds me of my grandmother. Oh, very lovely. love this washi. Look at that. So funny story, Linda has a washi, a travel washi from one of her previous boxes. And I didn't realize I loved it so much, I ordered it twice. The journey is a destination. More washi, nice big scenes. These are very beautiful. Ah, yes, I forgot about these. So here we have the nice stamped block, to-dos, January the 12th in numbers. And then some scenes. And then these are my newest favorite. I love these. So these are one sheet of sticker. And they're called Terrible, like rippable, but yes. So this gives me a scrapbooking feel. And more. I notice everyone is obsessed with the Eiffel Tower. And then this is my favorite. This, so gorgeous. Again, I love maps. I was a cartographer in my past life, I'm pretty sure. But look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, yes. And then she gave us another pair, or not another, but a pair of tweezers. So nice tweezers to grab the stickers. For this one, yeah. And the carrying case. There we go. So I want to show you real quick. So in my traveler's notebook that I have, I use one of these. Don't be so precious with everything. You can just stick that in there and it still closes just fine. Right? This is meant to be used. So don't forget to use that. Okay, so for these are the A4 vellums. So again, with the gold foiling, and you have all different scenes. And these are all in the stickers. Ah, Lisboa, Lisbon, Portugal. And look at that. These are very nice when they're just cut up in your journal or covers. Nice old camera. And again, oh, this has to be my favorite. All right, and let me come back. I will take all these off and I will show you the washi. Okay, I'm back. I just realized I didn't show you the A5. So when you purchase these stain boxes, you choose a size, and I choose the A5 unpunched. So lighter than emotional stuff, but still heavy as AF. I love this. Oh my God, I absolutely love it. Love it. Planner baggage. And then here's that one scene. I love this. The green, I absolutely, it's gorgeous. Put stickers on top. You can cut this out. Very nice. And then here goes another, the Eiffel Tower, right? Look at that. It's just beautiful. And she uses a good quality vellum as well. And then here you are with the nice relaxing. Don't you just want a cup of tea with a book? Yes. And then the journey of 1,000 miles begin with one step. Amen. So these vellums you can layer at any point. Look at how comfy that looks. So yes, I do apologize I did not show you that. Okay, on to the washing. Still waiting for a beautiful cloth bow from Linda in one of these boxes. Hopefully soon. So these are fairly easy to find. The beginning and the start. Just have to have some nails. Oh, they're the puppies. Okay, now this, my favorite color is purple. And to me, this looks on the purple side. But I don't know, if you have this box, let me know. What does it look like to you? It's like a mauve. I'll still call it purple because that's what I like. We'll put the lace at the bottom. And I don't know if you can see that, but the washi just flows right into the paper. So the washi comes about another 1/2 inch or millimeter, or yeah. But it just goes right into the paper. Looks gorgeous. So this one has gold foiling. Oh, I love it. Place it right on top. And then even if you messed up, look how easy it is to pull them up. And then look at this. This is the PET tape. How gorgeous that is. All right, we're only going to use some of it. The middle of that. Once you get the use of working with these, it's really simple to take off, find the edging. So I'm gonna just trim out this top part. All right, we're just gonna lay it on. Okay, so don't mess up with the PET tape. All right, and here is the gorgeous roll. And she, with these tapes, it's all pre-cut, so thank goodness. Thank you, Linda. So get the girls, right? Nice travel. I can't do that. Oh, look at that bow. All right, so here, let's see. So that was just one loop, so we'll just use her for now. And here she is. Don't protect that, don't interrupt that, please. And Linda has these smaller. Yeah. And here's the passport. And your coffee cup. Let's see. Look at how beautiful this bow is. I'm gonna put this bow like that. So this is the vintage. Vintage travel and journaling. Okay, so I just want to show you this. Two things now. Number one, remember you do have all these charms. You can also get creative. I like to do things different. But of course, it's not going to work for right now, but okay. Now these charms will not stay there. Maybe one of them will. But I want to show you with the undo. So here's your sticker, the sticker that we took off, right? Leave it there for a couple weeks and it will get flat. The same thing with the passport one. And then remember, if you're traveling, take your loop. What I like to do is I'll take a loop and I'll put it in my sticker release book. Because these are still curled, very carefully. Yes, very carefully, and let's use our clip. Okay. So I like to take them and put down a whole loop. I won't put the whole loop with you, but I just want you to see. Maximize the space. And sometimes you gotta go sideways, but yeah, I will definitely get sticking that. But so with the bag, okay, it's just a beautiful, nice canvas bag. Now you could easily slip your stuff in. It might not be big enough, but I have an extra insert. You can purchase these off Amazon for like $20, but I have one in particular for one of my old Coach purses. It might be too big. It's actually just perfect. So look at that. It gives it stability. Oh my God, it whitened the base, which is fine with me. But look, now I have for my laptop, cup holders, pen holders, zipper. So then you can easily start stashing all your items in here, right? And then I like to be extra. These washi tapes, but you can easily look at this. Is just, sorry, it is here. Again, it is used, but there's the travelers, the vellums. I won't put the vellums unless I have them in the folder, but yeah, look at that. I love it. So now it is heavier, but it's more sturdy. You could use this as a beach bag without it, or you can use it to carry your emotional planner baggage. Well, thank you for watching. Yeah, let me know what was your favorite item. You have a wonderful and blessed day. Thanks. Bye.